sis, welcome to our channel.
Today we will also listen to the song Panda Bear and have fun drawing pictures. Let's start! Panda Bear, choo 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 choo.